Do you want to know how you can turn off the activity status in Onlyfans? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to Tech Helpline. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can turn off the activity status in Onlyfans. Go to onlyfans.com in your Chrome or Edge browser. Now go ahead and click the More in the left hand side and go to Settings. Now click Privacy and Safety, and there you can see Show Activity Status. You can turn it off and then your activity status will not be shown to the public. So let me teach it to you once again. Go to onlyfans.com and click on More. Now go to your Settings and then click on Privacy and Safety. Now turn off the Show Activity Status, and there your activity status will be turned off. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.